Baby clothes get dirty from spills and food stains. They may also pick up dirt and germs from crawling or playing on the floor. Washing baby clothes requires special attention to ensure they remain clean, safe, and gentle on your little one's sensitive skin. By following the right steps, you can keep your baby looking clean and comfortable. Always keep your baby's washable clothes in a separate laundry basket. This helps prevent contamination and keeps them organized for easy washing. Turn baby clothes inside out before washing. This protects the fabric and helps preserve colors while reducing wear on any decorations. Separate whites, lights, and darks to avoid color bleeding. For very new items, you might want to wash them separately the first time. Always pre-treat baby stains before washing. Use a baby-safe stain remover or lemon juice. Simply apply it, gently rub it in, and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before washing. Washing delicate items in a laundry bag keeps them safe from snagging and tangling. It helps preserve their shape and prevents damage during the wash. Look for detergents specifically designed for babies, or those that are hypoallergenic and free from dyes and fragrances. Mimi Mild Baby Liquid Laundry Detergent is gentle on your baby's sensitive skin, ensuring a thorough clean without harsh chemicals. It effectively removes stains and odors while maintaining the softness of fabrics. Also use laundry sanitizer for babies. It helps eliminate harmful germs and bacteria, providing extra protection for your little one's sensitive skin. Add Lysol laundry sanitizer to the fabric softener drawer in every wash to sanitize and eliminate odors. It is a color-safe bleach alternative that kills 99.9% of bacteria, gentle on fabrics, and effective in cold water. Use a gentle cycle on your washing machine. A regular cycle can be too harsh for baby clothes. If possible, air drying is best. It is gentler on fabrics and helps maintain their shape. Most baby clothes are wrinkle-resistant, but if you need to iron them, use the lowest heat setting. Be sure to avoid ironing any decorations to prevent damage. Store them in a cool, dry place, ideally folded in drawers or bins to keep them organized and dust-free. With these simple tips, you will confidently wash your baby's clothes, ensuring they are clean, comfortable, and safe for your little one.